In the previous video we talked about the difference between Process Studio and Object Studio. Now in this video we will talk about how to import VBO, it means Visual Business Object. So we have ready-made business objects that is given by Blue Prism. We can import in our studio and we can use that. So those are ready to use objects. To import VBO, you have to click on File and click on Import and select Process/Objects. Now click on Browse and then you have to go to C drive and then search for Program Files, search for Blue Prism Automate, again click on Blue Prism Automate and search for VBO. So whenever you will install Blue Prism, it will come with these Blue Prism objects. So here if you are working on Excel, you want to interact with the Excel, let's say you want to read data from Excel, you want to get the data from there and store in a collection, you want to write in Excel, then you have to import MS Excel object. So here you can see we have lots of VBOs, that is BPA object calendars. If you want to work with the calendar, you have to import this one. If you want to work with the OLEDB data, SQL Server, email, Google Sheet, MS Excel, Outlook, Word, collection manipulation. So there are lots of VBOs available here. These are ready-made, just ready to use, and also you can configure this as per your requirement. So I'm going to select MS Excel. Now click open, click next, and you can see complete import successful. Click on next and you can see this object has been imported. Now click finish and you can see here now in the object section in the defaults folder we have this MS Excel VBO imported here. If we double click on this, and here you can see we have multiple actions that is used to work with the Excel. You just need to call these actions: remove blank rows, check file exist, open instance, attach to workbook, close instance. There are lots of actions available here.